Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line right there. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, is not really an update. It's just kind of more so the talking point from yesterday. And the big talking point yesterday revolved around this red line here at 54 cents. And the big question in my mind was, the price did close up above it, but like I said, I was wondering, is this the start of something? Is this a true break? A true break having two parts. The first part being the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has got to get up above a certain level. But then the second part, and that's where the question came into play, can the price stay above the level that it broke above? So yeah, yesterday afternoon, to give credit's due, the bulls did a good job of breaking up above 54 cents. But going into today, as I explained in yesterday's video, could the price stay up above 54 cents? And we got our answer. The price could not. It fell back below it. You can see bulls attempted to get back up above it, but were directly rejected right there. So 54 cents remains, that key area of resistance, and just being very stubborn. I mean, a couple of times, like I said, here and here, the price just flat out rejected it. Here, toyed with the emotions of the bulls a little bit, thought they were getting a breakout, and then right back below, and then as I already pointed out right there, again, directly rejected it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that because that wasn't a true breakout that the entire chart's ruined. Not saying that at all. From a big picture perspective, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, as I'll talk about here in just a second, and, continue on with the long-term uptrend. But as far as yesterday's breakout is concerned, that was not a true break. So 54 cents still remains that key area of resistance. As far as supports, and I do want to add in one more. Ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above that purple line there, that's going to be, the best case scenario. But even if, let's say, the price pulls all the way back down here and bounces off right around 48.5 cents, give or take, and then heads back up, even at that point in time with a deeper pullback, you'd still have this big base of lows right here. The previous base of lows would be down there, and when you picture these as stair steps, I mean, the overall stair steps would still be headed in the upwards direction. So that's why I want to, get across that just because, it turned out to be a fake break yesterday doesn't mean that the, big picture chart is ruined or anything like that. Bulls still have plenty of opportunity to continue to build these stair steps, so we'll see what they have in store the remainder of the week. Still 3 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.